It's 28 degrees and clear. Perfect running weather. Let's do a slow run, and I'll guide your pace with audio cues. Whenever you're ready. Great rhythm. Keep that stride. There's some gym gear on your left. Stay on your current track. Left turn coming up. Ease into it. You've got this. And now, take it slow. You got room.
By using Gemma 4 to understand the runner's surroundings, the running guide agent acts as a coach, giving blind and low-vision runners the confidence to navigate safely and avoid obstacles in real time. We're also exploring Running Guide Agent with the new intelligent eyewear. It's not just a new way of running, it's a massive leap toward true, wearable autonomy.
Stay in that lane. Perfect. Great run.